Hi guys, check that warning sign. Sinasabi na electric welding instruction to avoid damaged electrical chassis component. So isusum natin para makita nyo. So yun na po guys, ang warning na sinasabi ng ating component o unit. Basahin natin para ma-aware yung iba na kapag nagwe-welding kailangan talagang tanggalin ang negative battery. Check electric welding instruction to avoid damage to the chassis electrical system. Turn the starter switch to the off position. Disconnect the negative earth lead from battery. Okay, so we need to disconnect all electronic instrument. Yung computer, tanggalin din ang socket ng computer and ABS computer to ensure that the welding equipment is near the area to be welded. Okay, so be safe everyone. This is a warning sign from Japan. God bless.